Alright, so let's look at this last problem of this quiz prep, and I think this was the second quiz prep. We have several properties that we need to be aware of. If we have a base raised to an exponent, and if we have a power raised to a power, we multiply the exponents. If we have a base to an exponent that's being multiplied, the same base to a different exponent, or even the same, we add the exponents. So when it's a power to a power, you multiply. When it's multiplication, you add the exponents. So that should, we're not going to have any negative exponents here because I can see that all of these are positive. These are the two properties we're going to use for this problem. Let's see if we can shrink them up. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't let me select them. Okay. One thing you might want to do, this 2 is being raised to the first power. So when you square this, this 2 is also being squared. So this base of 2, 1 times 2 is 2. This base of a, it's being raised to the second power, but 2 times 2 is 4. This b to the third power, but 3 times 2 is 6. And all of this is multiplication. Now over here we have an a, and I'm going to write that a to the first power, and then b to the third power. So the 2 squared means 2 times 2, which is 4. This a and this a, since it's multiplication, I'm going to add those exponents. And since this base is b and this base is b, and it's multiplication, I'm going to add those exponents. So, drum roll please, my final answer, that this guy is equivalent to 4 times a to the 5th power times b to the 9th power. And I have, I do not have any variables in a denominator, so I don't have to worry about fractional exponents in the denominator. And my exponents, the 5 and the 9, are both positive. So I'm fine with this answer. They asked me to evaluate to simplify this expression, and we have. It simplifies to 4 times a to the 5th power times b to the 9th power. And that's our final answer. So I hope this helps.